Hey guys, Miss Lipston. This is our last week of school. So our entire kindergarten year, this is your last week. You guys have done an amazing job. Today, I want to do some story problems, and each of the teachers are going to be doing this, and we wanted to use all of your guys' names. So I have four story problems that we're going to work on, so listen for your name. And just like all story problems, we got to read through the problems first, right, to decide is it an addition or a subtraction, right? Are we adding to or are we taking away? So we have to listen very closely. You ready? All right, let's get started. My first story problem says, Liliana, Sunny, Rayanna, Marion, and Antonio had 4 pencils. Do they have enough for all of them? Okay, so what's the question asking? The question's asking, are there enough pencils for everybody that we said? Okay, so let's count how many people we have in our story problem. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have 5 people in our story problem, okay? How many pencils did it say that we had? 4. Okay, so if we have 5 people and 4 pencils, is that going to be enough? I don't know. What we can do with this one, and this is kind of a trickier one, is then let's do a subtraction. So we have this many people. Let's take away that many pencils, okay? 5 take away 4 equals, right? And we need to draw this out. So we have 1 person, 2 person, 3 person, 4 person, and 5 person. All right. And we only have 1, 2, 3, 4 pencils. Do I have enough? I don't. I have how many extra people? I have 1 extra person. So 5 taking away 4 pencils. I have 1 person that does not have enough or does not get a pencil. So we do not have enough pencils for everybody. All right, next story problem. All right, are we ready? I'm going to turn this just, whoops, a little. There we go. All right, next story problem. Isabella and Kristen had 2 crayons. Bayani, Musab, and Muhammad had 3 crayons. Here's my question. How many crayons do they all have? Okay, so what's the question asking? The question's asking how many do they have all together, right? So we need to look and see how many crayons these 2 girls have. They have 2 or 1, 2, right? How many do the guys have? The guys have 3. So we have 3 crayons there, or 1, 2, 3. And if I need to know how many all together, is this a plus or a minus? It's plus. Nice job. Because all together, okay, so 2 plus 3 equals, and some of you guys may know that already. Some of you may need to count your pictures that you drew. Some of you could use your fingers, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So all together, Isabella, Kristen, Bayani, Musab, and Muhammad have 5 crayons. All right, next one. All right, here we go. Ibrahim had 7 markers. He gave Brian, Nika, LaJayla, Zayden, and Monroe 1 marker. How many markers does he still have? Okay, so we need to, again, go back through this. We need to figure out how many markers, after he's given everything away, how many does he still have? How many did he start off with? 7, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 markers, okay? And how many did he give away? Let's count how many people he gave a marker to. So 1, 2, 3, 4. He gave away 5 markers, okay? So he gave away, which means take away 5, okay? How do we do that? Do we draw an extra 5 over here? Nope. Remember, we mark it off. So he gave away 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. How many are left? So he gets to keep 2 markers. Nice job. All right, last one. Here we go. Raiden and Danielle had 4 books. Gabriel and Daniel, Anrup, and Chloe each had 1 book. How many books do they have all together? Okay, so how many books did these 2 boys have? They had 4. Get my pen to work. 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. How many did Gabriel, Daniel, Anrup, and Chloe have? Our sentence says here, they each had 1. So if we were to count each person, that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So they have a total of 4 books for them, right? So we have another number 4 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. My next question is asking, how many books do they have all together? So is that a plus or a minus? That is a plus. Okay, so if I have 4 here and I'm adding 4 more, I have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 books all together. 8 books. Nice job. All right, so boys and girls, over the summer, you guys can make story problems with anything and anyone, okay? Have fun practicing. It's been an amazing year, and I cannot believe what great mathematicians you guys have become. All right, I love you.